Hey, TL here. Nice sunny day, Tuesday. Just wanted to show you the shed here that my brother-in-law let me use, put behind the house, put the bike in. Can't go riding today. Got something out of the carburetor. Needs some adjustments. Thing's been running rough, like it's got something in the fuel line. Runs nice and idles, but I put a load on it, shifting the gear, fucking sputters and everything. So, but she sure does sound pretty. So, TL signing off. Gotta work on the scoot. Y'all have a great day, man. Ladies too.